Okay, here's PowerDirector version 17, and notice the timeline. The left side has both video and audio, and the right side has only audio track. There's nothing on the video track. Okay, and whenever I want to produce the video and I want to produce the entire length of this video, then it's always stopping at this portion where I still have video. And to include this portion also, we have to do a trick. We have to select, let's say, the last track, the last clip that has video, press the end key to go to the last frame and capture a snapshot of that frame. Okay, I will store it in the documents folder. Let's make it PNG because it's lossless, and just save it. Okay, now let's open with File Explorer the documents folder and grab that snapshot and drop it onto the timeline on top of the audio. Okay, and expand it to the entire length. It's pretty long, so I have to work here. Zoom out, expand over the audio, zoom out and expand over the audio. Okay, now whenever you want to render to produce the video, it will render the entire length. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.